Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the characteristics of matter, brought to you by Not Your Average Tutor. So let's get into it. So, what is matter? In simple terms, matter is anything made up of a substance, aka stuff, and it has mass and volume. So, let's play a game. Is it matter? We have sunglasses, pencil, energy, water bottle, gravity, and oxygen. So, why don't you take a minute and pause the video to figure out each thing and classify it as matter or not. So let's get into the answers. So sunglasses are matter. A pencil is matter. Energy is not matter. A water bottle is matter. Gravity is not matter. And oxygen is matter. So let's get into physical properties now. So what are physical properties? They are characteristics of matter that can be observed without changing the sample's composition. They are used to observe and describe matter. Some examples include color, density, melting point, boiling point, hardness, size, mass, state of matter, solubility, etc. For chemical properties, so what are chemical properties? They are the abilities of substances to combine with or change into one or more other substances. They can only be observed when the substance is changing into a different substance. Examples include a precipitate is formed, reactivity, ability to rust, flammability, combustibility, toxicity, and bonding properties. So now we're going to do mass. So mass is the amount of substance or material in an object. It is a physical property of matter that can be measured. So chemists measure mass in kilograms and grams. So 1 kg, kilogram, is equal to 1,000 grams. An electronic balance / scale is used to measure mass in grams for labs. So now, what is mass versus weight? So mass is the amount of matter, also known as stuff, in an object. And so mass does not change based on position in the universe. However, weight is the effect of gravity on an object. So weight can change based on elevation on Earth. Now we have volume. So volume is the amount of space something takes up. It is a physical property of matter that can be measured. You can measure the volume of a regular shaped object by measuring its length, width, and height using a mathematical formula. Volume, measured this way, is reported in cubic units, such as cubic centimeters, cm to the power of 3, or cubic meters, m to the power of 3. So when measuring volume, chemists use a variety of special containers for measuring volume. For approximate measurements, a beaker is used. For more precise measurements, a graduated cylinder is used. You can measure a sample of water by pouring it into a graduated cylinder and reading the number of milliliters, ml, on the side. Always read from the bottom of the meniscus, the lowest point of the curve, at eye level. And that's it for today. Have a good one and see you next time.